Fisher Refrigerator Model RS36W80LJ1-N repairs. Keep beverages chilled and perishables fresh with this 36-inch Fisher Paykel refrigerator. Its active smart food care adapts to your usage habits by adjusting temperature, humidity, and airflow to maximize food's freshness, and its built-in ice maker ensures cubes are always available. This stainless steel Fisher Paykel refrigerator has clear bins for spotting exactly what you need inside. Repairs. For the home, kitchen, and beyond, Fisher manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair, however. If you're in need of Fisher appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. Appliance does not operate.